Chad, Madagascar, so I can get that bit. Alright. Botswana, Western something. Western Sudan, over there, and go Cameroon. Democratic Republic of Congo, no idea. Zimbabwe is down here somewhere. Sudan is over here. Ethiopia. Isn't that? Well, isn't that right here? Oh god, there's something other Somalia. Sorry, Somalia. I love you. There. Mozambique, no. Algeria, that's at the top somewhere. I think plenty, and then start with a little taxpayer Libya. Just the one there around the edge. South Africa. And then Zimbabwe just on top of there, but I'll do that in a minute. Oh my god, this is rock hard. Oh, shit. Oh my god, this is embarrassing. I didn't think I would sound like that. Oh, is it another one that was just there? Malawi, Kenya, Malawi, Gabon, Egypt, alright, thank you. I guess that one. Isn't it from Mali? Where's it gone? No, not Mauritania. The fuck am I going? Mauritius. That's not Mauritius, is it? God, I'm going crazy. Oh man, this is really hard. I was already pumped to go really quickly. I'm already stalling. Where's Algeria now? I thought Algeria was right next to Libya. Or is it like that? And some... Damn, which country am I forgetting? Oh, it's like that. Like that. Getting there, getting there. Thanks for the support, Gary. It's a good sigh. Come from the up. Down. I was pretty sure the Congo touched the sign. This is more northern. Okay, so maybe again, let's put some more in there, isn't it?
Yay!
Okay, so I'm not going to be too embarrassed. For manual now, so this is everywhere else, but it's going to be a disaster. Well, I know Ivory Coast is just here. No chance. Well, hardly a good chance. I'm sure I would recognise the name of this country if I used to know it. Is that a weird edge? No, it doesn't exist anymore. Where the hell does this go round? Oh god, I'm hitting the awkward middle stage now. Or have I been there for half an hour already?
It's been 2 days, Pete.
Are we at 10 minutes yet? It's not going to sound on YouTube now. How long have I been going?
5 minutes exactly. Yeah, you've got to do it in 10p.
Well, we just uploaded the thing. The limit's 15 minutes now.
Oh. What, just because you knew you were going to come see this?
Yeah.
That looks good, Pete.
It's this one there. It's this one there. I swear I knew. Has it changed its name?
No, it's always been Western Sahara.
I should have a few more. Oh, wait a sec. Oh, here we go. I don't know why I was like doing this one. What place is Zambia good fit? I'm sure Zambia was
There's only one place, and you can see it on there. Come on, look for the shape.
I think this is another one of these ones.
Oh, it's getting there.
No, I need Cameroon South. I was pretty sure, I was so sure Cameroon. Oh, Jesus, look at that. It's been taken like ever. I don't know why I haven't found anything but slots in there yet. I really thought Cameroon was on the other side. That's my biggest ever. Gabon. Let's help it now. There's a piece missing.
8:15.
It's just not like that. Oh, Cameroon's there. I had that so wrong. I felt like I knew it because they did well in the football. Oh, you know what else I should be doing? I should be using the colours. But the yellow's not going to be next to the yellow, is it? There we go. Oh, what's actually in there? Oh, we're doing. What is it?